Welcome all students. Today I am going to deliver performance management system. What do employees expect in an organization? The ultimate focus or the person aim or goal or target should be success. How the employee can get the success? What are all the parameters to get success in their career? Be treated fairly and consistently. Every employee expects the boss, the organization should be fair of treatment. Job and career enrichment opportunities. Career opportunities more and more important. Every individual will be having an individual job aspirations. Whether the organization fulfilling the individual dream or else whether the organization promoting, enhancing the development of the employee for their organization, wherever, whatever, either may be an individual aspiration or it may be an organizational aspiration, employee want to be a success. Clear expectations. What is their role? What is their responsibilities? That is very, very important. To whom he has to report, he or she has to report. Positive, constructive feedback on a regular basis. Feedback should be given by the topmost authority or superior. It should be a motivational oriented, not more negative. Involvement in goal setting. Employees should be called for the discussion when they are framing the targets. So normally the MBO pattern, management by objectives, economic reward should be more. If the job position will be higher and higher, economic reward is not mandatory. But when a person is in the lower level, junior level, mid level, economic reward is very, very essential. So these are all the expectations by the employee towards organization. Why perform? To reach organization mission and goals. Every organization wants to survive for a long time. For example, minimum will be 15 years, the maximum it leads to 50 or more than that. So, the vision is keep on changing, but the mission is what we are, what purpose we are, what we are going to give, what we are going to do the society. These are all the mission statements. Encourage and reward behaviors aligned with organization, mission and goals. So, to encourage, what is their mission, what is their goal, the reward should be linked with that. Curb or redirect non-productive activities. So, they have to redirect. What are all the things which is non-productive? They have to redesign it. Next, performance management. It includes activities that ensure that the goals are consistently being met in an effective and efficient manner. Performance management focuses on the performance of an organization, a department, employee, or even the process to build a product or service or any other areas in an organization. Performance management focuses not only for the employee, towards the whole organization, department-wise, employee-wise, or even for the product or it may be the service or any other areas. Liaison. Every way they have to maintain the performance level. What is their standard? Based on the standard, they have to measure whether they are meeting the standards or not. An iterative process of goal setting, communication, observation and evaluation to support, retain and develop exceptional employees for organizational success on observation and evaluation to support, retain and develop exceptional employees for organization success. So the performance management, the first step is plan. Once it was planned, it goes for the execution. That is, once the execution action plan was started, the superior or the employee, they can monitor about his work, self-monitoring, or it may be the superior monitoring. Then the strategies they are applying, how to complete the process, what type of strategies they are applying. Then if there is any slackness, if there is any weakness, they are not meeting the standard, then they have to identify the deficiency, what are all the ways to rectify the things they are improving. Then they measure if everything meeting with the standards, then okay, if not, again repeat again. So once the task was completed, again it goes for the other task. So the performance management is keep on iterative process. It is a and never ending a process. It serves a strategic purpose for the organization, provides information for the reward system. How the reward system, what type of information, if the employee was completed the target, whether or exceeds the target, or whether the employee is not meeting the target, what type of reward system, it may be a financial or it may be a non-financial, it may be a positive reward or it may be a negative reward. Facilitate HR decisions, enabling employee to learn about their performance as against organization expectations. It makes you to aware where you are, where you stand, where your performance, whether you are meeting the organization expectations or not. It serves as a development purpose for a promotional, for award, for reward, serves organization maintenance purpose, supports HR decision to meet legal requirements. So if I don't like an employee, I can't terminate him. Certain procedures are there. Without any procedure, if I don't like a single reason I don't like, if I am removing an employee, in future I have to face the legal related issues if I am the boss of the company. So for that, the performance appraisal also one of the yardstick. Through that also, if they are not satisfied with the employee performance, they can remove. So certain things, it will be useful. Aims and roles of performance management. The information collected by a performance management system is most frequently used for number 1, salary administration, number 2, performance feedback, number 3, identification of employee strength and weakness. If they identify the strength, based on the strength, the organization will be recommending for the promotion level, or it may be a succession plan, or it may be a training and development. If it is a weakness, to identify, to give the training to enhance. If really the person is worth for the organization, definitely they will rectify the things where the weakness is there. Integrated performance management. It is a whole of the organization. For example, external stakeholder management. Who are all the things will be coming under the stakeholder? Maybe the board of directors, the owners, investors, shareholders, all employees in the organization, the society, the government body, the legal systems, other regulatory frameworks. These are all constitute customers, stakeholders. The company can go for, depends on the operation, depends on the size of the organization. They can go for annual performance or quarterly performance. Strategic planning cycle, annually or quarterly, 3 to 5 years view. The strategic view, performance modeling, strategic process. So, the operating strategy, strategic project, strategic review, performance modeling, it is always an iterative process, it's a rotating. Under the operations, tactical improvement projects are there, performance feedback is there, budget and forecast is there. These are all the things comes under the internal, integrated performance management cycle. Regarding the business operation, real time, manufacturing, if in a manufacturing industry, R&D is very, very important. So the research and development departments keep on conducting the research about the product design, about the machine design, about the prototype, about the functions, about the customer survey, about the customer needs and wants, about the competitors, everything they will be going for the research and for the development of the organization. Leads to sales and marketing. Salesforce automations, marketing, regarding the sales promotions, leads to sources and procurement, leads to inbound logistics inside the organization, leads to manufacturing and production, leads to distribution. So, under the integrated performance management, external stakeholder leads to strategic planning cycle inside the operations. Integrated performance management cycle leads to business operation. So, the rest of the topics we'll see in the next session. Thank you.